Jam.
चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
You have to take me once, Aravali.
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल certainly.
Thanks a lot, Are.
Thank you very much. जग्गी, ये तो ब्लडी बाइक की बैटरी चली गई है पता नहीं नहीं बैटरी इज फिन पता नहीं. मैंने जब अभी ऑन किया था
सेल्फ
तो,
नहीं ले रही बिल्कुल भी.
हाँ
सेल्फ ले ही नहीं रही.
हाँ मतलब ब्रांड न्यू बैटरी है. जब
एक सेकंड स्टैंड ऊपर करके एक बारी ऊपर करके दोबारा नीचे करना और फिर दोबारा ऊपर.
Hi friends, good morning. If you own a Ducati or planning to buy one, you must watch this video as it will shake your blind trust, the most basic ingredient of any business. To appreciate the whole matter, please do watch my previous videos. Links of same are placed below. This video is not intended to defame any brand or an individual, but just to share some factual data so that die-hard fans of the brand are not treated in a similar manner. As a huge Ducati fan and owner of Hypermotard 939, I rode to Ducati India Head on 22nd November 2019, conveying, irrespective of how big a corporate may be, if the smallest of grey areas are left unattended and ignored, the business is sure to go downhill. My repeated requests failed to draw any attention, and the saddest day for Ducati Delhi arrived in just a matter of 3 years. Those who follow my videos will know that, who always trusted Red Ducati team of Delhi, my earlier praiseworthy videos of the brand are a proof of same. However, because of few important events which turned out in this December, my equation of blind trust in Ducati has been shattered. It is time to caution my fellow riders, and that's why this video. To make things more simple, as brought out in my previous videos, we can forget what happened in the past and just see this case as an individual specific case. In November 2021, I desired Desmo service as I suspected engine valves to be the main cause of engine not starting in winter. As reply, I received an estimate of Rs 61,785 with a cautionary note that this figure may go higher depending upon the outcome of the service. Looking at just 26,500 km and a well-maintained motorcycle, I again requested for just a valve adjustment, and promptly an estimate of Rs 24,038 was received. Once motorcycle was given to workshop, they cleaned throttle bodies and confirmed that motorcycle is free of defect. I still hesitated, but went ahead with the satisfactory ride on 5th December with the Delhi Ducati group of riders based on the experience of new workshop manager. On Monday morning, it again failed to start. Motorcycle was again inducted for defect rectification. I also shared my concern with the technical head who had been dealing with this defect for quite some time. The service team undertook diagnosis under the expert guidance of Ducati India and confirmed that the vertical cylinder has failed to produce desired compression, which will need repairs costing Rs 4,14,000, and same might still go higher. Whole diagnosis was based just on a single compression test, neglecting every other activity like the engine valve clearance, adjustments, change of worn-out valves, leaking head or intake manifolds, or the worn-out piston rings. When I asked the technical head Ducati India, same was justified to be based on their experience. The workshop manager was ready to order parts and wanted 30% of the payment even without sharing any compression test results in the form of video or photographs, as same is prohibited as per the company rules. Every mail sent by Ducati Delhi reads, "We assure that we will take good care of the motorcycle." But after milking the cow for 4 years, same was sentenced to go to a slaughterhouse. 18 December 2021, was the saddest day as the Dreammakers, with their whole team of global standard experts, shattered the trust of a passionate rider. However, they forgot that cow slaughtering is now banned in India, and on top of that, the cow belonged to a Rajput who is also a soldier. Someone has said very rightly that if you own a Ducati, be ready to become a technician. The 30 years long service with the Indian Air Force had taught me to face any situation head on, and the engineer in me was challenged to take matter into my own hands. In order to keep things under control, I also arranged for a Ducati certified mechanic. I sincerely thank the Ducati Delhi dealership, which gave me an opportunity, even if forced, to explore the hidden secrets of Desmo service. In short, I can apprise all fellow riders that no doubts Desmo service is labor intensive as whole motorcycle is stripped open from all corners, but for any experienced technician, it is a piece of cake. Also knowing the availability of expertise level of Ducati mechanic in India, probably a handful of technicians can only undertake such a task. Rest should only watch. So going further, the only needed activity of valve adjustments on my motorcycle brought back the heart in action, and both cylinders produce desired compression. Finally, after some interesting and very careful work, the Red Beauty fired in a single press, like a new machine. Dear friends, this act, what is discussed, is pure science, and nothing can be hidden as everything relates to mechanical parts of the engine. The new Ducati Multistrada V4 has already said goodbye to these complicated and labor-intensive drivetrain of Desmo valves, which were invented when springs had various issues. Looking at the background of our hard-working technicians, I will not like to blame anyone, but only the technical and the business head who failed to appreciate the issues even when informed on multiple occasions. Even today, they have no answer to the old mysterious defect of engine stalling or failing to start. My motorcycle, after a bad incident which could have ended my life, never visited Ducati Delhi workshop. The routine service in 2020 was undertaken at 24,472 kilometers directly under my own supervision. That's why, without going into past, I just wish to ask Ducati India, why did your team recommended change of such a huge number of engine parts, including the piston change costing several lakhs? I sincerely request Ducati India head to kindly pull out the service records of my motorcycle, dated 21st November 2019, when the Desmo valves were adjusted, and you will find the same global standard technician's name who demanded the piston change via a job card dated 12 December 2021 based on just a single compression test. On top of all this, the Ducati India technical head also confirmed piston changes, punching a deep hole in the pockets of a retired Air Force officer. There are two emails, one from dealership and another from Ducati India, saying that I refuse to go ahead with your recommended repairs. I understand the Ducati India team is also very keen to know more details on trust and honesty as expressed in their email. Looking at this single sad story, can Ducati India explain the world? Do you really represent same global team of professionals who are selling the trust? Let's not target any ordinary hardworking technician, but ask their leaders who have failed to discharge their duties of supervision, be it technical training or any defect investigation. You can never understand the hidden secrets of any machine unless you ride it and love it like your Chetak. Be rest assured, if you don't fix the responsibilities and start afresh in year 2022, my fellow riders have hundreds of similar stories to share. I take this opportunity to wish all my friends, fellow riders and their families a very happy New Year. Jai Hind and ride safe.